All right. Step 1 says choose a variable to be eliminated. So we have x, y, and z. It doesn't really matter which one we choose to eliminate, but we got to choose one of them. So which one do you want to eliminate? X. Okay. Every class has chosen x so far.
Nobody likes an X.
Nobody likes x's. All right. So we are going to eliminate x. It says pair the equations and make them additive inverses by finding their least common multiple. Add the equations so that the selected variable is eliminated. So, from these 3 equations, we are going to take 2 of them and pair them up. So which 2 do you want to pair up? There's not a lot. Okay, the 2 x's. So we're going to take the second and the third one, and we're going to pair them up.
And for this, you could always use any 2 you want.
Yep. Yeah, there's a lot of different routes to take when you're solving 3 variables. If I were you, I would put lines through your z's. Otherwise, they might start looking like 2's. Just a suggestion. All right, now I want to eliminate x's. Do those x's eliminate?
No.
No, because they're both positive. So remember, you need different signs so that they eliminate and equal 0. So I'm going to do what?
Multiply the top one
By negative, yep. And you can do the bottom one too if you want. It doesn't matter. But you have to multiply one of them by a -1 so that we get different signs. So negative 2x plus y plus 2z equals -5. And on the bottom, 2x plus 2y minus z equals 4. All right, so Gip, what happens to my x's? They cancel out. Josh, what's y plus 2y? 3y, very good. Isabel, 2z minus z? Z. And Leslie, -5 plus 4.
-1.
All right, once you get to that spot, stop and bubble your equation. Does that make sense so far? All right, so that's the first step. Second step, pair another 2 equations and eliminate the same variable. Same variable. So you're going to go back and you're going to pick another 2 to pair up. Which ones do you want to pair up? Okay, first and second. And once again, it doesn't matter as long as they're different 2 pairs. X minus 2y plus 3z equals 12. And 2x minus y minus 2z equals 5. What's up?
Does it matter which one you want from the bottom? Okay.
All right. What variable am I trying to eliminate again? X. Very good. So one of those is positive 2x. So what does this one need to become? Negative 2x. So I'm going to multiply the whole equation by?
-2.
Very good. All right. -2 times x plus 2y. Wait, not 2y. 4y. 4y. Very good. Okay, and then the bottom one's going to stay the same. 2x minus y minus 2z equals 5. Yes? It doesn't matter as long as you get it to where your x's are going to eliminate. So same number, different signs. It doesn't matter where the negative goes. Okay, x is eliminated, which is good because that was the point. 4y minus y?
3y.
3y. And -6z minus 2z? -8z. And -24 plus 5? Stop and bubble.
Are we gonna put them like together now and subtract them?
Eliminate again, yeah.
I knew it. I was like,
Yes, lots of eliminating.
Now you gotta turn the top with the bottom.
Yep, which is why I bubble them. So I like to bubble them because you're going to go back to these equations, and so it's good to bubble them. So when you have all of that work, they kind of stand out. Step 3, write the equations from step 1 and step 2 as a system. So like you've already told me, we're going to take the bubbled equation from step 1. We're going to take the bubbled equation from step 2. And we're going to put them together. I messed up somewhere.
is one supposed to be a negative? Right? One of the 3 y's is supposed to be a negative, right?
I thought it was in the other classes I did. Anybody see if I messed up somewhere? But y'all are doing it a different way, so then again, maybe not.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's right.
that could be it. Let me just make sure. Alright, well I'm guessing that if none of you have seen my mistake, then I think I'm doing good. Okay. Yeah, I think we're okay. Alright, so we're going to put them together. 3y plus z equals -1. 3y minus... Oh yeah, I'm good. We're good. Minus 8z equals -19. Alright, so the y's don't automatically eliminate just yet. I need to multiply by -1, right? Doesn't matter which equation. I'll just do the bottom one for something different. Alright, so top guy stays the same. The bottom guy, the -1, is going to change all of these signs. So -3y plus 9z, or 8z, hello, equals 19. Alright, we good so far? Alright, so Jasmine, you want to help me? What happens to the y's?
You cancel them out.
Uh-huh. What's z plus 8z?
9z.
Okay. And then equals
I don't know how to add
18. 19 minus 1. Okay. And then to solve for z, what do?
Divide by 9.
Divide by 9. Divide by 9. That equals 2. Alright, whew. I've done most of the hard part. It's just fun. I only gotta find all the other ones. But I promise, once you get this, everything else just kind of starts falling. It does? Just starts doing it. Okay. So z equals 2. So we're going to take z, and we're going to plug it back into one of your bubbles, which is another reason why I like to bubble, because you're going to use it again. And so take your z, plug it into either one. It doesn't matter which one. The orange one?
No, the top. Why do y'all like working with negatives?
I'm going to do the red one because they're smaller numbers. All right, 3y plus, what are you plugging in for, z? 2 equals -1. Okay, and let's see, Corterion, you want to help?
Yeah.
What do I do?
Subtract 2 from the side.
Okay,
Y equals -3.
Bless you.
5 by 3. Y equals 3.
it's going to be a coordinate, but it's in a 3D graph.
Actually, understand something that's why.
So you can't graph them on the TI Inspires. If you look up like on Google or something, there is a way to graph 3D graphs, but they look crazy. So, and there might be a way on the TI Inspires, but I don't know it.
After we plug both. So now we plug both of them in?
To what?
To one of the original.
Yeah. So one of the very original. So you have 3 options here. You can pick
First one.
first one. Okay. Alright, plug it into the first one. So don't know x, minus 2 times -1 plus 3 times 2 equals 12. Who wants to do this? Emery does. Uh-huh. Good. plus 6. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Very good.
Oh my gosh.
Good job.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I do want it as a coordinate 4, comma, -1, comma 2. X, comma, Y, comma, Z. It goes in alphabetical order.